today's message. So, I'm gonna pick one card and I'm gonna follow through. Because sometimes I wanna use something. Sometimes I'm gonna use tarot, sometimes I'm gonna use sacred geometry, which is my other tool, and sometimes I'm just gonna channel the information as it comes. I'm gonna pick a card here. This is my card. Hierophant. So it has number 5, which is my number. It's my life number, the number that represents independence, uniqueness, leadership, and physical material work, presented by number 5. It's for people who were born in the zodiac sign of Taurus, and it's my card. Very interesting. And the card is loaded with sacred geometry. So you have the hexagram here, you have the pentagram here, my two favorite symbols, or one of my favorite symbols of sacred geometry. And this is very interesting because I wanted to use this symbol today. I wanted to show it to you guys through drawing, and it came out in the card, and it's crazy. So when everything is meant to be, when everything is aligned, everything happens smoothly. Here too, you have 3 circles interlocking, representing the Triketra, or the Trinity, representing number 3, which is the number of mastery. So this card today is basically just telling you to be the magician you are. And here it says Magus of the Eternal Gods. Be the magician you are. Be the god you are. You know, we're all gods in our own ways. So be the god you are. Be the magician you are, and work your magic. You know, work your magic. Work your gifts. Don't leave them hidden inside. Don't leave them inside the closet, inside the box. Show them to the world. Why are you keeping them for? You might help someone, you might impress someone, those gifts, if you use them in the right way, in alignment, they might take you to the next level. So be the Hierophant. It's time. It's time to use your gifts. It's time to use your gifts. And how do we use our gifts? Is by being in balance. That's why this shape, the hexagram, represents perfect balance. And I'm gonna draw it for you here. I'm gonna show you. So, the hexagram basically is composed of 2 triangles, okay? You have the first triangle, right? First triangle represents let's call it just masculine energy, right? Masculine energy. It also represents fire in alchemy. And we're gonna counterbalance it with a triangle, another one, like this, that points simply downwards, like that. And this other one, let's call it feminine energy. And it's the representation of water, which is the opposite of fire. So, this form here, which is also on the card, which came out on the card, is called hexagram. Right? Why hexagram? Because hexa means 6. Because there's 2 triangles made up of 3 edges. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's the perfect balance and harmony between number 3, which is here 3 circles, that's the number of mastery, but if you double it up in a balanced way, so one is pointing up, one is pointing down, masculine energy, feminine energy, fire, water. When you use it that way, you get the perfect balance that you need in your life, that makes you the Hierophant, that makes you the magician. And this is tied in with number 3 and number 6. Again, number 3 is the number of mastery. Jesus died when he was 33. He was the master. His number is 3. And then number 6, which is the number of love, harmony. So this shape is very important. And there is also sacred geometry. You want to know why? Because what's cool about it, if I take this shape again and let me draw it this way. Let's say I try to draw it as balanced as possible. Okay. That. Like that. Let's say just like that. So if we connect the dots, what do we get? You might have guessed it. I have to correct the triangle here. You get the hexagon, not hexagram, but hexagon, which is this shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. It's a little bit crooked, but it's okay. Which is also sacred geometry. And when we add certain spheres, which I'm gonna talk about later, what do you get? And one in the middle being creation, being you, being the center. This is you that creates all the magic around you. By being the Hierophant, you create all the magic around you, and you connect all the dots together.